So any which way, I dey with some Man U fans. As you see the boys, he squeeze face. He just dey try make him laugh. Not be say they happy, but bros, I beg, wetin dey happen? Kilo happen, go.
No man, we dey face our sad time, so we just dey get very bad season. But we believe say one or two changes dey the management, improvement go dey.
So now only now be the problem like this now.
Obviously.
Yeah. Wetin dey pay me pass say I carry Man U go for my ticket.
I dey tell you.
And they don't even try to even see corner sef.
So like this now, I deal with the most angry Man U fan here for Mama J here. Baba, how you dey be now?
No wahala, my brother, no wahala.
You sure say no wahala? 2-0 first half. How you dey see the match?
I dey vex like this. Oga, I don tell them, my brother, make them start this coach. We no get coach. I swear to God, no coach. Imagine what we dey do there. Imagine, clueless, nonsense, tactical. That. My brother, make them start the coach, abeg.
But right now, the coach wey una been dey eye, Antonio Conte, and other people don carry am. If you sack Ole now, who you wan go carry?
Oga, if they call Enugu Rangers, come sign Enugu Rangers coach. I swear, we go happy than that man. I swear to God. Okay, thank God we don't miss Antonio Conte. Okay, no problem. Thank God say Zinedine Zidane still there and he still get experience. You go manage him. In fact, we like him pass this one day here. My brother, if you wan get high BP, high blood pressure, come watch Man U match. I swear.
So like this now, you say if you follow for the people they shout say ole, they go.
Me, I don't even like him from the onset. You know, I think coach better than this guy.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Somebody tell us if they carry Enugu Rangers coach come, he go do better pass Ole.
Better, far better than this guy.
Man U no play to score. Who dey there? The midfield collapse. The midfield will collapse. They no dey feel hold ball. At least you go win the ball before thinking about scoring goal. Where is the ball in Man U's players' leg? They no get the ball. Man City dominates everywhere. Knocking the ball, and that is within themselves as if then they play street ball. That's why they play OGO. Well, I don't know whether some people there where they play OGO.
This Manchester City side, yes. They play this season without a known attacker. Still yet upon that, they still get the result. That will not be slap on the face of other teams. It shows say Pep Guardiola don't today comfortable with this English Premier League. Say you know get as I take do am, I go see they dominate.
Okay, though you thought say they no get striker, but look at the quality of the attackers we then get. They get 100 million pounds attacker for there, 50 million, 40 million. Those they have the quality maybe say they go fit give Man City goal.
Every day while they watch Man U match like this, you even like say make they cry. Wallahi. The club no just impress me again. Everything they do na error. I don't join Manchester United 2003. I don't even follow Cristiano Ronaldo, them, David Beckham, them since then. Before I come they wear Ronaldo clothes. But the way the man they do now, so I'm not sure. You know clear. I bet.
So they talk.
As the guy they do self, don't give him everything he need made for the win. Now 14 points down. I might they go on Premier League like this.
I tell you.
14 points now they go down. And out of that 14 points, we don't lose three for Old Trafford. Don't mind Old Trafford. Theater of dramas. As in, you get a CB now. If say we lose them for outside, for even better. But say this one at home. Baba, it don't make sense.
Say the verse, but man you don't lose 2-0. How they be?
Now one of those days, man got take out.
You guys take out.
Don't happen.
Everybody just say coach.
Now coach we have problem now.
So now coach be your problem like this now.
Now coach now.
So now get all the quality, all the stars.
Sure now man you get player pass for Premier League.
I tell you.
We get depth, we get everybody complete.
2-0. Wow.
But they happen, that's so it be.
The matter be say the coach no get tactics. I believe say the people wey dey up high, they try protect am based on say na Man U legend.
Okay.
So if they try put discipline, make they try change the coach. I believe say things go dey. Quality players dey the team now. Most expensive defender Maguire, the captain. No dey even dey do anything. So if discipline coach dey there, he go fit rest and try other players. Sancho dey, Ronaldo dey. But they no dey win games. Meaning say Pogba dey. The coach no dey do well. They try change coach. I believe say they go play better. Time still dey before e go late.
Football Republic.